If you're looking for a European manufacturing partner to help develop and produce liquid supplements, sprays, gels, syrups, drops, and/or single-serve formats like sticks or shots, this is for you. My name is Daniel, and here in NorVita we work with brands across Europe and beyond, helping them launch and scale liquid supplements that actually sell. Most companies come to us because they want three things. They want speed, they want flexibility, and reliability. We support our clients with custom solutions, pilot runs, flexible MOQs, and scalable production, all under European manufacturing standards. We focus only on liquid formats, and we work closely with our partners. Working with us is simple. From idea to concept and pricing, to sampling, to production and further growth. We turn your idea into a market-ready product. One partner, one process, fully customized to your brand. If you'd like to see whether there's a fit, click the button below to message us directly. We'll take it from there.